Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And if you are returning, I just want to say I appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. And if you're new, I would like to ask you to consider subscribing to our channel. We have lots of different things on here. And with the unboxings, different kinds, lifestyle, beauty. Got a big truck going by the house right now. I have the windows open today to get some fresh air in. It's getting up to 70 here in Texas. But anyways, what I have for you is a quick little video, and it is the BlackOut Baking Company. This is a gourmet cookie subscription, and they have like regular products, I guess, online that you can get on a regular basis, like their double chocolate, their chocolate chip, and peanut butter. But once a month, they have a cookie of the month, and I have subscribed to the cookie of the month. I get 12 to 24 cookies, and it's $17 a month, and there's $10 shipping, and the $10 shipping is on any size order that you purchase. If you get 2 or 3 boxes, then you'd still be looking at the same $10 shipping per order. Let's get in here and see what the cookie of the month is. I can't wait. It always comes in a regular brown box, and then we have lots of little, I guess, shreds in there that are black for the BlackOut Company. And once we get past all of those, we have our box down in there, and we've got the red and white stripe. Most of the time, our cookies are wrapped in black and white stripe little string. But because it's Valentine's, I'm sure that's why she's got it to be red. And our cookie of the month is always on the side here. And this is Raspberry Chocolate Bomb Cookie. Ooh, goody. Now these are little bite-sized cookies, so they're not really big as far as, they're probably like about that size in diameter. They're, gourmet, and they're made with all natural ingredients. And that's one of the things that, got me to subscribe, because I can't eat cookies that are baked at most stores and are, the ones that you buy in a package, because they use modified ingredients, and I cannot handle modified ingredients in any shape or form. But once we open this up, this is what we have with our raspberry chocolate bombs, and I can't wait to taste them. So let's pop in here and get one open. They're always packaged individually, and I'm supposed to get 12 to 24, but when she's got it doubled up like this, where it's kind of like double doozies, those count as 2. So like 2 cookies. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. So we're actually going to have 12 cookies as far as a complete cookie, but we are really going to have 24 cookies because they're like double doozies. They've got the filling on the inside. Aren't those nice? Doesn't that look very delicious? It looks like a double chocolate cookie with the raspberry. And I can't wait to bite into this, so here we go. Ooh, I took a big bite. I can taste the raspberry. Raspberry's a little tart, and so is this. So we have a little sweet, and tart taste with the raspberry, and then we have the chocolate. Very good. I've got my coffee cup here. The puppies are playing. They make those cute little noises. That's when they're about 4 weeks old. If you like chocolate and you like raspberry, combined, you're going to love these. They kind of melt in your mouth. I'm going to have to wash this down with a little more coffee. I would say that's her double chocolate cookie with chocolate filling on the inside and then the raspberry around the edges of the outside for a little bit of that tart sweet taste. Very good. Now, Shanna is the owner of this company, and she started, like anybody else does, probably like taking cookies to the PTA meeting and maybe making cookies for a bake sale. And they were so good that people said, hey, will you bake us some cookies? So she kind of got started, I guess, grassrooted, so to speak, and has now grown her business. She has a store in Illinois, and if you want to find out more about her cookies or about what you can order, and she always has specials, so you can just go to her site to find out what the specials are, and it's BlackOut Baking Co.com, and I'll have all that information down in the bottom. But I really do recommend her cookies. They're very tasty, and they're, like I said, they're gourmet, and they're made with all good ingredients, so you don't have to worry about getting modified foods if you're worried about it. But I am, because they tear me up, so to speak. But that's all we have today for the BlackOut Baking Company. I just wanted to pop on here and let you know the cookie of the month was the raspberry chocolate bomb cookie. So now we know, and we know how good it is. So go check her out and see if you want to get some cookies. And as for today, that's all I have for the BlackOut Baking Company. And as usual, you all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.